Every map of the universe you have ever seen is wrong. Because the true scale of reality is simply mind-bending, let's take a journey. Well, start with a scale we understand, 100 meters. In 2009, Usain Bolt ran this distance in a record-shattering 958 seconds. Scientists believe the absolute human limit is likely around 948 seconds. Now let's scale up. This is 828 meters. The height of the Burj Khalifa, humanity's tallest building next to Mount Everest, at 884,443 meters. But let's leave the ground at 65 kilometers up. We enter the thermosphere, where temperatures soar. The air here is 100 trillionth the density of the air at sea level. At 350 kilometers, the International Space Station has orbited our planet over 66,000 times. Now for a real jump. 3844039 kilometers is the average distance to our moon. That gap seems short, but you could fit all 7 other planets plus Pluto side by side within it. 150 million kilometers is the distance to our sun. Its light takes 85 minutes just to reach us. We call this 1 astronomical unit, but now our measurements have to change. At 18 light years, we reach the edge of the solar system. Voyager 1 would need 17,000 years to get here. The next star over Proxima Centauri is a lonely 42 light years away. It was the destination in the film The Wandering Earth to get there. Even at 5% the speed of light would take us 2,500 years. But our sun is just one citizen in a vast city of stars. Welcome to the Milky Way galaxy, a spiral disk over 100,000 light years across. And our entire solar system is located way out in a quiet suburban arm. Our galaxy holds at least 100 billion stars and even more planets. But 99% of every single star you can see in the night sky is inside this tiny yellow dot. And as breathtakingly huge as our galaxy is in the cosmos, it's nothing special. When we zoom out, we find our Milky Way isn't alone. It's part of the local group, a small galactic neighborhood of about 54 galaxies. This structure alone spans a mind-boggling 10 million light years. Keep pulling back and our local group becomes a tiny, insignificant speck. It's just one piece of the Virgo supercluster, a colossal structure spanning 110 million light years. But here scientists discovered something terrifying. Our galaxy and millions of others are all being pulled at 1,000 kilometers per second towards a mysterious point in space. That gravitational anomaly sits at the heart of the Laniakea supercluster. Laniakea is a cosmic web of galaxies that's 520 million light years across. Our entire Milky Way is just a single point of light on one of its outermost threads. And still we can keep zooming out until individual superclusters form a cosmic network. 10 billion light years from Earth, we find the Hercules Corona Borealis Great Wall. It's the largest known object in the universe, stretching across 10% of the sky we can see. This is the edge of our map, the observable universe, 93 billion light years in diameter. And that entire incomprehensible space is probably just a tiny fraction of the whole thing.